Hello traders out there in Trader Land, D7 here with almost 30 years of trading experience using technical analysis. I want to show you Bitcoin and what's going on with that. Let's get after it. What you're looking at is a proprietary trading algorithm that does buy and sell. What makes this special is we're using TradingView. We got to have a TradingView account to be able to use this, but it tells us when to buy and when to sell. But it's not just that. We get to see back-tested results to find out, would this have made us money or not? And you're looking at a real live chart, a daily chart on Bitcoin at this moment, and you see buy and sell signals here, and you see exactly where they're at and when they trigger and when they sell. So with that, we can see opportunity here. So the net profit had 68 trades. In those 68 trades, we made over, what is that? 6 million percent, 6 million percent. It wins 63% of the time. Has a profit factor of almost 4. Anything over 1.6 is really good, but this is 3.7. Every $1 you risk, how much do you make when you make? So if you win one, lose one, this one wins $3.74 to every $1 that it loses. That is a great ratio. And if you look here, if you go over here to the right, the average trade that this thing makes, the average trade makes 33%. There's the equity curve coming up. Even better, if I say buy and hold, if you were just holding Bitcoin, buy and hold, there's the line. That's what you would be up right here, Bitcoin. This is up substantially more. And what's really cool, I can see the list of trades. If I take the list of trades and come up, I can see it's in a current trade right now. It's up 3% in this current trade. That was real time. You just saw it tick higher just now. The last trade it made 39%. The trade before it made 4%. Loss 9%. You can see that here. 9% made 36%. Made 16%. You can see made 22%, 7%. Goes on and on. Lost 10%. But you can see the winnings and losings of every one of these trades. Had 2 losers in a row, 27 and 27. That's not great. It made back 37. You can see that here. So you can see the buy and sell. This is our proprietary, our most powerful trading algorithm that we have. If I go back to performance summary, you can see a lot more detail here. It has a Sortino ratio of over 1. It's 2.1, almost 1.7. Very, very strong numbers here. Very strong. Go back to the overview. Again, we're smoking buy and hold, just killing it. Watch what happens to the 6 million number if I come over here and make one adjustment. If I make one adjustment and say, let's short this also, long and short, and this now goes to 10 million percent increase, which is just insane. So we can long and short this. This is the power of the algorithm. If you want to know more about what it is that we're doing, on Saturday we are doing a class. Feel free to jump in and we'll go into this a little more with a little more detail, but using AI and trading algorithms is the name of the game. This is our future and this is where we're heading. It's not about learning the charts as much as it is about having the right algorithms help us to learn those charts and to trade them the proper way. So there it is. Feel free to join us. Looking forward to having you. Bye. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. Or learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing though is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're gonna learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not gonna read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you rate you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.